Today, we're diving into the exciting array of tours and experiences we offer in the stunning Niagara Falls region. Whether you're looking for an exhilarating adventure, a serene cruise, or a luxurious private tour, we have something special for you. Let's explore. Join us on the legendary boat ride into the very heart of Niagara Falls. Experience the thundering roar and majestic beauty of the falls up close and personal. Enjoy the mesmerizing fireworks display over the falls on this enchanting evening cruise. A magical experience perfect for families, couples, and anyone who loves a good spectacle. Stay dry while experiencing an exciting ride through the Niagara River rapids. Perfect for those who want the thrill without getting wet. For the adventurous, our Wet Jet Tour offers an exciting ride down the Niagara River rapids. Prepare to get soaked and have an unforgettable time. Take to the Niagara Falls helicopter tour and witness the breathtaking aerial views of Niagara Falls. Our helicopter tour offers a unique perspective and an unforgettable experience. Join us for a comprehensive day and evening tour from various locations including Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, and Niagara-on-the-Lake to Niagara Falls. Experience the falls in all their daytime glory and their evening splendor. For those seeking a more personalized experience, our luxury private tour is the perfect choice. Departing from Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, and Niagara-on-the-Lake, you'll enjoy a tailored itinerary and exclusive service. Book your tour with ToNiagara for your next adventure. We can't wait to show you the beauty and excitement of Niagara Falls. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ToNiagara for more amazing travel experiences. Until next time, happy travels!